Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Varrel Alfathaya Zanettilendra. I'm from BIKBP Absent 16. And today I would like to present about the growth of M-commerce. First of all, what is M-commerce? M-commerce or mobile commerce is a type of electronic commerce that allows users to buy and sell products or services using mobile devices like smartphones and tablets. It involves activities like online shopping, booking services, mobile payments, mobile banking, and even trading, all done through mobile internet access. What makes m-commerce different from traditional e-commerce is that it provides on-the-go access, instant notification, and personalized mobile experiences, often through apps. Now, in Indonesia, m-commerce has become extremely popular. Some leading platforms that support m-commerce include Shopee, Tokopedia, which is online retail and e-marketplaces, Gojek or Grab for ride-hailing, food delivery, and digital payments, OVO, Dana, Linkaja for mobile wallets and payment systems, and Traveloka for booking flights, hotels, and entertainment. These platforms have changed the way Indonesians shop, pay, travel, and interact with businesses and making mobile commerce a significant part of daily life. Next is why I choose this tribe. First is it's highly relevant to our daily life, which means as a student in the English for Business Communication department, I believe it's important to understand trends that directly affect how people interact with businesses. We use apps like Shopee, Tokopedia, Gojek, and Grab almost every day. So we are not only learning about the trend, but we also experience it ourselves. Next one, it shows the connection between technology and business communication. M-commerce involves how businesses communicate with customers using mobile platform through notification, chatbots, social media, and mobile advertising. Understanding this helps myself improve both my businesses and knowledge and communication skills in a digital context. Last one, it has strong market growth backed by data, which means that the statistics are very clear. Mobile commerce is growing every year and is expected to dominate the future of e-commerce. Learning how to analyze trends using charts, graphs, and diagrams help myself prepare for future business tasks like making reports, presentation, and marketing strategies. Next one is global mobile commerce sales. I will describe this in a bar chart. So this bar chart presents the total value of global mobile commerce sales from 2019 to 2025. Each bar represents the estimated sales in trillions of US dollars for each year. In 2019, the total mobile commerce sales were approximately 1.5 trillion US dollars. This figure rose to 2.1 trillion US dollars in 2020, showing how people quickly shifted to mobile shopping during the pandemic. In 2021 and 2022, the growth continued, reaching 2.9 and 3.6 trillion US dollar, respectively. In 2023, global m-commerce sales hit 4.0 trillion US dollars, and the trend shows that by 2025, sales will likely reach 5 trillion US dollar. This consistent rise proves that mobile commerce is not a short-term trend, but a long-term global transformation. People prefer using mobile phones for convenience, speed, and comfort, and businesses are adapting to meet the demand. Next one is commerce sales growth trend over time. I will describe this in a line graph, and this line graph represents the same data over time, but in a different format to help us see the trend more clearly. Instead of showing just the values, the line graph shows the movement and rate growth year by year. The slope of the on the line becomes steeper with time, especially after 2020. This tells us that growth was already happening before the pandemic, but from 2020 onward, there was a significant boost, as you can see, as customers become more familiar and comfortable with mobile shopping. The line keeps going up, showing continued acceleration in sales, not just slow or flat growth. The kind of visual is helpful for understanding business forecasts because it helps predict future patterns. For example, if we follow the current line upward, it clearly supports the forecast of 5 trillion US dollars in 2025. Next one is share of mobile commerce in total e-commerce. I will describe this in pie chart. This pie chart gives a different kind of perspective. It shows how much of the total e-commerce market will come from mobile commerce in 2025. According to research, 77% of all e-commerce sales will be made through mobile devices, while only 23% will come from non-mobile platforms such as desktop or laptop. This is very important in insight. For businesses, it means that almost 8 out of 10 online transactions will happen via smartphones or tablets. So if companies only focus on desktop users, they are potentially losing most of their customers. The pie chart emphasizes the dominance of mobile commerce in the future and explains why businesses must adopt mobile first strategies like building apps, offering mobile-friendly websites, and using mobile marketing campaigns. Last is conclusion. To conclude, mobile commerce is one of the most powerful business trends of today and the future. It combines the convenience of technology with the speed of mobile networks and is becoming the primary way of people shop, pay, and interact with businesses. Using the bar chart, we saw the steady increase in global e-commerce sales from 2009 to 2025. In line graph, we understood the pace and acceleration of this growth, and in pie chart, we learned that mobile commerce will dominate the market, holding 77% of all e-commerce by 2025. As a student in English for Business Communication Department, studying this trend helps me understand how to present data effectively, how businesses adapt to technology, and how communication changes in digital age. That's all from me. Thank you for listening. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.